Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So if we talk about this year's QS section in general, this year around we have seen that the papers seem to be a little bit on the difficult side. That is the kind of question that were asked this year around. They seem to be on a higher difficult level as compared to the previous year's questions that we have seen come across the examination, and also the question required an in-depth understanding of the subject matter just to solve them, and also they were more time consuming and more calculation intensive. Okay, so what we'll be doing in this video, we'll be taking a particular question from the paper itself and then subsequently get an idea about how to go about solving this question, so that whenever we come across questions such as this further down the line, we are easily able to solve them. Okay, so with that said, let's focus on the question at hand. John started working 2 years ago. Okay, her starting salary is half of Mike's salary every year. Since then, John and Mike have received a rise of 10% in their respective salary. What percent to the nearest percent is Mike's salary to currently is John's salary? Okay. So now let's try and understand the question. Okay. So we have John and we have Mike. Okay, so John started working 2 years. Okay, so we are talking about a period of 2 years. Okay, so year 1 and year 2. Okay, and this is my current year. So let's see. So initially her salary was half of Mike's salary. So let me assume say Mike's salary is 100 this year around, because no figure has been given. We are talking strictly about percentage. So let Mike's salary be 100 and Joan's salary be 50. So every year a rise of 10% is seen. So a 10% rise in this case, it will be 55. 10% rise in this case, it will be 110. Okay, I hope this is clear. Again, another 10% rise in this case. So the current year. Okay, first rise and second rise. So it will be 50 plus 5.5, that is 60.5 in case of John's salary, and for Mike it will be another 10% rise. Okay, plus 10%. Okay, this will be 110 plus 11, that would be 121. Now notice one thing, 60.5, if we multiply this by 2, it gives us 121. That is 60.5 is exactly half of 121, right? Therefore, John's salary is 50% of Mike's current salary. %50 will be our answer. So I hope this is clear to you. This was a very good question, as in all you had to know was the direct approach to solving the same. This could also have been done by using the successive percentage change as well. So we have 10% plus 10% plus 10 into 10 by 100. We could have used that as well simply. That is what we have, 20 plus 1. So had we increased 21% in both these cases, we could have gotten answer. As you can see, 100 to 121, we can see rise of 21%, and similarly 50 to 60.5, 1% of 50 is 0.5, 20% of 50 is 10, so 60.5. So that way also, had we used this formula as well, we could have solved it. Okay, successive percentage change formula. So either way we could have solved, either we could have gone step by step or we could have gone directly. So anyway, we could have easily solved this question. So let me just give you the formula as well. A plus B plus AB by 100. This is for successive percentage change. Okay, either this way or the approach that I've shown initially. So both these answers are correct. Okay. So now, if you have any doubt, go through the video a couple of times and then subsequently try and solve this question on your own. I don't think it takes much of a difficulty. You can choose whichever method you are comfortable with just to solve the same. Okay. Having said that, in case you're looking for a detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. For that, what you can do is get in touch with us through all the our website URLs, our emails and numbers provided in the description section of the video. Any doubt you might have with respect to your competitive exam preparation queries or guidance or any subject topic wise doubt that you need our expertise upon, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay. So if you like the video, make sure like and subscribe to the channel so that we will keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. I'll be signing off now. Thank you so much.